Okay, I'm trying to make a video of this clicking noise. Every time I put it into gear or press the gas, I hear a clicking noise in the back, in the rear end. I don't think it's a differential. It might be a CV axle issue. Maybe something's loose down there. At first it just sounded like there was an e-brake problem, like a spring wasn't sitting right, but everything looked okay there. But let me see if I can get it on camera. I probably won't in the garage because of my exhaust, but let's see. Did you hear that? And I think you can hear it go off twice, one for each side. I've got to park super far out to the garage. Okay, let's get out here more. Sorry, just pulling out. Crank it. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. I'm going to put my phone out the window, see if you can hear it. I don't know if you can hear that. Anyways.